We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 616. Let's head on in. You can see the kitchen is on our left here in this apartment. You'll find the kitchen on the left as we go into any even numbered apartment here on this north side or street side of the building. As with all the kitchens, we will pass by the refrigerator. There's the dishwasher and sink. You can see the microwave on the counter, the stove and oven, and we have some assorted cabinets and drawers. As we go into the apartment, we'll pass by the closet and take a look in there, and then we'll go see the rest of the room. So here's our closet area. We have some good storage space here. The studio apartments will always have a dining table and chair, a full-size bed, a desk and chair, a bookshelf, and a dresser. The bathroom is over here on our right. Let's take a look in there. It's the same bathroom that we've seen in the other units. So we have that standing tub shower with a sliding door, the vanity with a sink that does open for more storage underneath the toilet, and there is a cabinet here on the wall and some towel racks. So it's a nice sized bathroom for one person. Let's go on into the apartment and take a look out the window. You can see the window has the air conditioning unit underneath. The heater unit is over here on the right side. You want to make sure that you're not blocking that heater so your heat can flow nicely in the winter. So we're on the 6th floor of this 6-floor elevator building. That's the top floor. And we're on the north side or Dryden Road side of the building. To our left, that is looking towards the west. So we have a little bit more of a valley view over that way. And towards the east, we're looking more towards Collegetown. So we've got some great people watching opportunities here in central Collegetown. That's a really fun view to have. So this is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment 616. This is a north style rectangle studio apartment here in this building. We're on the top floor again of this 6th-floor building here at 151 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown, just one block from campus.